Hello and welcome to KSG India News Bulletin. If you are preparing for UPSC Civil Service Examination or any other government exam, here are the important news updates for you. Starting with, India launches Dolphin Safaris. The National Mission for Clean Ganga launched dolphin-based ecotourism program, including dolphin safari at 6 sites in 3 states, Uttar Pradesh, Bihar and West Bengal, along the country's national river on the occasion of the Ganga River Dolphin Day on 5th October 2020. The Ganga Praharis, trained volunteers from among the local community working for cleanliness of Ganga, will take the tourists at 3 sites on boat ride to view dolphin in the Ganga River. Besides, a new campaign, My Ganga, My Dolphin, was also launched on the occasion to conduct dolphin census in 250 km stretch from Bijnor to Narora. Moving on to the next, Nobel Physics Prize 2020. 3 scientists won this year's Nobel Prize in Physics on 6th October 2020. For advancing our understanding of black holes, the all-consuming monsters that lurk in the darkest part of the universe. Breton Roger Penrose received half of this year's prize for the discovery that black hole formation is a robust prediction of the general theory of relativity. German Reinhard Genzel and American Andres Ghez received the second half of the prize for the discovery of a supermassive compact object at the center of our galaxy. Moving on to the next, science of water in the lakes of Mars. The most intriguing notion of humankind of being alone in the universe might just have busted as scientists once again discovered substantial signs of water present in Mars, where a rigorous research is going on to find life-supporting evidence. As per a research paper published in the journal Nature Astronomy recently, scientists have found 3 more underground water lakes in the south pole of Red Planet. Besides the main lake, smaller surrounding lakes have also been discovered. Moving to the next headline, OPV Vigor Launched. Indian Coast Guard offshore patrol vessel Vigor was launched at Kachupalli, Chennai on 6 October 2020. OPV Vigor, the last of the 7 series OPV, was built by L&T Shipbuilding under the contract signed between the Ministry of Defence and L&T Limited on 30th March 2015. This was the first time that the contract of building an OPV class of vessel had been given to a private shipyard. In this case, Larsen & Turbo Limited, in line with the government's policy of Make in India. Some planets have suitable conditions than Earth. Scientists have identified 24 planets outside our solar system that they say may have conditions more suitable for life than the Earth. The study, published in the journal Astrobiology, details characteristics of potential superhabitable planets that include those that are older, are little larger, slightly warmer, and possibly wetter than Earth. The researchers from the Washington State University in the US noted life could more easily thrive on planets that circle more slowly changing stars with longer lifespans than our Sun. That is it in the headlines for today. Stay tuned to ksgindia.com. For more details, you can log on to our website, you can join the new course and prepare for UPSC Civil Service Examination by sitting at home. Thank you.